Today I'll be showing you how to use these soak off nail clips. You'll need a small little circle pad and cut it into 4 pieces, and acetone. This is the results of my first finger. It did pretty good. It slid right off. So I'm going to do the rest. I want to shout out the North Star for leaving this sweet comment. Follow me on Instagram at Awesome Nails. As you can see, it's a whole lot easier to squish it and then put the clip on. I'll be back after 15-20 minutes, depending on how long you think it needs to stay. Okay, I'm back. Now, let's see how it did. It just slid right off. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comment section below.